Imagine this, you wake, a normal morning or so you think. Something feels strange, off. You look outside, up at the sky, where the moon should be, a familiar silver disk. But tonight it's just black, an empty patch of darkness, utterly, terrifyingly bare. The moon is gone, panic spreads, like wildfire, across the globe, phones ring, news channels explode, no one saw it coming, no alarms, no cosmic warnings, just gone, vanished into nothing. Scientists are baffled, governments scramble. What happened? How could this be? The questions hang heavy, unanswered. A deep unease settles, in our hearts, in our minds. The night sky feels wrong, incomplete, like a missing piece of a giant cosmic puzzle. And now, more mysterious. Why care about a big rock? Well, that rock, our moon, it does so much for us. Its gravity pulls on Earth, especially on our vast oceans. This pull creates the tides. High tide, then low tide, a constant rhythmic pulse, a cosmic breath for our planet. For billions of years, this dance has shaped coasts. The moon is also a stabilizer, like a gentle cosmic hand. Earth spins on an axis, tilted at 23.5 degrees. This tilt is key. It gives us our seasons. The moon's gravity, ever present. It keeps this vital tilt steady. Without it, Earth would wobble, like a dying spinning top erratically. Our climate depends on this delicate balance. The moon was born from Earth itself, a Mars-sized object called Theia. It smashed violently into young Earth. Debris flew out into space, forming our celestial companion, the moon. So, the moon is part of us. What are we without it? Animals notice the moon, deeply, instinctively. Many creatures are nocturnal. They use the gentle moonlight to hunt, to navigate the concealing darkness. Think of sea turtles, for instance, laying their precious eggs by moonlight, or corals spawning in vast unison, their ancient cycles tied to lunar phases. These natural rhythms now utterly broken. Even plants might feel its absence. The moon's subtle gravitational pull, its faint, reflected light. Some scientific studies suggest links between lunar phases and plant growth rates, or the uptake of water in tall trees. Perhaps even pollination timings are affected, for certain night-blooming flowers reliant on moths. These connections are often delicate, easily overlooked, until they are suddenly gone. And what about us? Humans. Our ancient ancestors lived by moonlight, long before electric lights existed. Our natural sleep patterns, it's thought, they may have evolved over millennia, with the familiar lunar cycle. Without the moon, tides change, drastically, fundamentally. The sun also pulls on Earth's oceans, but its gravitational effect is weaker, much weaker than the moon's was. About half the strength, to be precise, so tides wouldn't vanish completely, but they would shrink, immensely. The familiar, powerful rise and fall along all our planet's coastlines would become a mere shadow of itself. This is a catastrophe, a disaster, for fragile coastal ecosystems. The intertidal zone, that special place, that rich, diverse band of life between high and low tide marks, it would effectively vanish, or shrink beyond recognition or recovery. Crabs, mussels, barnacles, starfish, countless species depend entirely on it. They would struggle, they would die. A massive extinction event unfolding. Tides do more than just move water simply up and then down. They mix the vast ocean waters, stirring up vital nutrients from the deep, dark sea floor. This process feeds tiny plankton, the very base of the ocean food web. Reduced tides mean far less mixing, fewer nutrients available for life. Remember Earth's axial tilt? The moon keeps it remarkably steady at that crucial 23.5 degrees. Without that constant guiding hand, our planet's axis would begin to drift. Over many thousands, millions of years, it could tilt quite wildly over time, from nearly 0 degrees, no seasons, to extreme angles, far from current state. Imagine Earth spinning almost on its side or perfectly straight up and down. Chaos. Such wobbles mean climate chaos. Unimaginable, extreme seasons, or perhaps no distinct seasons at all. Parts of Earth could freeze solid, trapped in new, permanent ice ages. Other parts could bake relentlessly under a scorching, unforgiving sun. The stable, predictable climate we know, the one that allowed human civilization to arise and to flourish, it would be gone, forever. And the nights. Oh, the nights, they would become so profoundly dark. Starlight is indeed beautiful, but faint. Moonlight bathes the entire landscape in a gentle, ethereal, silvery glow, allowing us to see our surroundings, allowing many nocturnal animals to thrive. Without it, true, deep darkness descends, a profound, deeply unsettling blackness. So how could the moon vanish? Overnight, without a trace? Science fiction offers many ideas. Perhaps advanced alien beings far beyond our current comprehension. They simply took it from us. Why? For its mineral resources? Unlikely. There is more rock available elsewhere as a cosmic warning to humanity, a display of unimaginable power, or maybe they just needed it. Could we build a new moon? If we absolutely had to, what an incredible monumental task. The scale of such a project is immense. The energy required would be staggering. What material would we even use? How would we get it up there and then stabilize its precise orbit? It's a challenge for a distant future, far, far ahead of us technologically. Perhaps it's simply impossible. Or, what if the moon wasn't entirely real in the first place? A shared illusion, a grand projection, a cosmic simulation perhaps, and someone, or some entity, simply switched it off like a light. This unsettling idea shakes our reality to its very foundations, to its core. The moon, our silent guardian, our constant cosmic companion. For over 4 billion years it has profoundly shaped our world. It has helped stabilize our climate, it has tirelessly stirred our oceans. It has gently tugged at life itself from the very smallest microbe to the grand, sweeping arc of evolution. Its subtle influence is deeply woven into the very fabric of planet Earth. Without it, Earth becomes different, a much harsher, more volatile place, far less predictable, less hospitable. Tides shrink dramatically, coasts transform, countless ecosystems would surely collapse. The climate begins to unravel over vast stretches of geological eons, nights grow unnervingly darker. Our planet's very spin on its axis becomes unstable, a lonely wanderer in the cold, indifferent cosmic dark. Could humanity possibly survive in such a radically changed world? We are known to be adaptable. We are often strikingly ingenious. We have faced immense challenges before. But this is truly fundamental. This alters the very stage on which our entire evolution played out. Would we find new rhythms for life? New, desperate ways to live on?